Good morning. Just a quick review of the Stromberg Carlson Scissor Jack stand foot pads. I ordered this a couple weeks ago. Want to install them now. It came two to a pack. Very, very well put together. Very heavy duty rubber. Nothing is going to happen to these. It's just they've got a nice solid feel and build to them. They also come with adapters. Because the jack pad opening is for a 8 3/4 inch pad or shoe, the bow tie shoes, and mine are 8.5. So, correction, mine are 8 inch. So these take up the remainder to give it a nice fit in the jack pad. These are all the tools you basically need to install it. And now I'm going to do a quick install. Let me lower my jack stand here. That should be enough. And the adapters just snap into place. Like that. One here, one on the other side. And that's it for installing the adapters. It's really, really easy. Now I'm going to install the pad. I mean, it takes less than 5 minutes for the whole thing. The one thing you want to be careful of is getting the pads so they go over these ears. There's an ear in each corner. So let me just put it on pause while I grab everything, get it in place, and I'll show you. Okay, so here we go. Just going to be an easy placement. It's very easy to do. I'm going to need 2 hands, so I'm just going to put it on pause. Alright, I got it on one side, and now I'm going to do the other side. I may need a screwdriver, but it bends really easy to get it in place. Hold on, please. Okay, it's now on. And remember when I said about the ears? These need to go inside here. So I'm just going to use the screwdriver to work it around. It's real easy. Again, this is a simple instruction, less than 5 minutes. And there you go. They're all in place. Perfect. They're going to be a great addition. And just a quick note, I purchased these on my own. They were not a gift or given to me. So there's 2 per pack. You have to buy 2 packs if you got 4 jack stands to take care of. And that's it. It's under 5-minute installation. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And hit like if you like it. Thank you. Bye-bye.